I'm actually here in Meridian Parks, and the model home we're gonna take a look today is the Olympic. It's a 5-bedroom, 3 full bath, 2-car garage, and over 3,000 square feet. We're gonna be taking a look now. The Olympic is one of the executive series by Mattamy Homes. It's a 4 bedrooms, 2 full bath, 1 half bath, and between 3,067 square feet and 3,087 square feet. The Olympic features 2 stories, and on the first floor you'll have a flex room. There is the main center of the house, which includes the kitchen, dining area, and break room, and also the owner's suite. As you step inside, you have the foyer in the flex room, and from the foyer you then access the very spacious kitchen, dining room, and living room areas. The half bath is located right across the entryway from your garage. We're gonna be taking a look later. This is something that is really calling my attention, is all the space that you have on the main areas of the house. Let me share with you another view of this beautiful and grand space. I will say there is indeed a lot of space in this house. It looks majestic. Now let's take a look at this beautiful gourmet kitchen with plenty of cabinet space for storage, and the center island provides enough space for seating. The kitchen comes fully equipped with a walk-in pantry. Let me know in the comments your thoughts about this kitchen. What's your favorite part? Now it's time to check the car garage. It's a 2-car garage. It's very spacious. There are different elevations that you can choose from for this floor plan. These elevations may be different depending on the community that you're buying this for. Continuing with the tour, it's time to check the master bedroom, which is located on the first floor. It's a retreat for the owners. The master bath has a dual sink, walk-in shower, and a tub. There is another option that you can choose to upgrade your shower, where you have a super shower instead of the tub. If you enjoyed this type of content, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. I post weekly videos about home tours and general information about new construction homes here in Orlando. The laundry area is conveniently located just across the master bedroom. You have a loft area, then you have 3 additional bedrooms and a full bath. For more information about this particular floor plan, please go ahead and check the description box below. If you're enjoying this home tour, please give me a thumbs thumbs up. It helps me create more videos for you to enjoy. Now it's time to check the beautiful patio. This can be upgraded with an extended lanai or just a regular lanai. In this case, let me show you this one. It's an extended lanai. In the picture, you can see the standard size of the lanai. So this is it. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.